Hello everyone, I hope you're keeping well. I thought I'd do a different type of video today. This is some of the products that I've purchased in the past that I'm kind of using quite a bit on a regular basis, in which I'm really enjoying. So there's anywhere from candles to sunscreen to perfumes, that sort of thing. So I will start with the one scent that I really am wanting to burn lately, and that's lavender scents. So I have this writing jar from Yankee. This is a 3-wick tumbler. Oh, I just drowned all the wicks there. And this is in Relaxing Lavender, which is a dupe for Yankee's Lemon Lavender. And yeah, it's just a beautiful, bright lavender. It is a herbal lavender. It's burning fairly well. There's a little bit of residue on the side. It's filling up the family room and wandering over here into the kitchen. But I don't know, even upstairs I have lavender going too. Yeah, they're just very attracted to lavender scents and wanting to smell that for some reason. And then just to stick with the fragrance theme, I have quite a few perfumes. Shoppers Drug Mart and sometimes the Real Canadian Superstore has these high-end perfumes that are on for like $20, and I've gotten some really great ones. So this one, I think I bought this, I don't know, 6 months ago or something, I can't remember. But these are from Oscar de la Renta, and these are just $20. They're 100 mils. This is can't really read the label, but it is rose. And I'm not usually into rose scents, but there's just something lovely about this one. And this one is an orange citrusy scent. And yeah, it's just, they're long lasting. A lot of perfumes just don't last, but these ones do last. And there's just something about that rose. It's not a glowing, sharp rose. It's a sweet rose. Oh, I just love that one. And this, and yeah, you can't beat the packaging. It's just beautiful. And this is a lovely citrusy orange scent. Oh, I really like both of these. Yeah, I just lately I've just been really gravitated towards those ones. And then there's a porter at work. He's been selling Avon for years, like 20-some years. And I was looking through a magazine one day, and they have those little scratch and sniffs. And I really like this one. It's called Night Magic by Avon, and it's ever good. It is just, it's like a berry scent, like very rich, plummy berry scents, but there's just this soft, warm softness to it. It's just so, so nice. Oh, I just absolutely love this one. I just love dousing myself with this before bedtime. It's just so relaxing and musky and soft. I really, really like this one. And then with the warm, sunny weather now, it's time to really concentrate on my sunscreen. I know I shouldn't use it year-round, but there are some that I really, really like. Neutrogena and L'Oreal, I do like their sunscreens. They have some that I find a lot of sunscreens just feel sticky and tacky and just don't absorb all the way. They leave my face really shiny, greasy looking. So I found this one, and I've seen a lot of good reviews online about it. It's very good if you have oily skin because it's mattifying. Now, I do have dry skin, and I wore it for the past couple of days, and it really did mattify, which for me is good for the summer because, like I said, a lot of sunscreens just leave you looking like a greasy mess and sticky and tacky. So on those really hot and humid days, I don't mind having a mattifying look. I wear lots of moisturizer underneath the sunscreen. I spritz myself with those moisturizing sprays, so it's not a deal breaker for me. But if you have oily skin, this is very good. Now, this is a mineral or physical sunscreen, which means it has titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. So a lot of those physical sunscreens can leave a white cast, but this is actually tinted. and it really didn't change the color of my skin. It just kind of blended. So yeah, it's tinted, but I just found that once it kind of rubbed it in and absorbed, it didn't make my skin darker or lighter or anything like that. And after a few minutes, it absorbs very nicely. It leaves your skin soft and smooth and mattified, and yeah, I really like it, and it really doesn't have much smell at all. Some sunscreens are just, the smell's a bit much. But this one's actually very good, and like I said, I've seen a lot of really good reviews on this. I did find it in Shoppers Drug Mart. It's about $20 Canadian. You do get 3 fluid ounces or 90 mils. It's water resistant to 80 minutes, but I did use some of my PC Optimum points for it, or you can just wait for it till it goes on sale. But I really, really, really like this one. It only has 4% titanium and 4% zinc, but it is SPF 50. Usually they say with the zinc oxide it should be at least 7 or 8%. I can't remember the number, but I mean, this is SPF 50, and yeah, I really, really like it. Very impressed with it. And you can wear makeup over this without it looking funny because it mattifies and smooths out. So, and other sunscreens I like are Neutrogena ones. And this is Hydro Boost. This is SPF 50 also. This has hyaluronic acid, which I just absolutely love. Hyaluronic acid draws the moisture from the air and plumps up your skin. It holds 1,000 times its weight. So anything with hyaluronic acid is great, and it's a bonus if it's in a sunscreen. This is another one. This is a chemical sunscreen rather than a physical one. Some people find chemical sunscreens can be irritating. I find either chemical or physical can break me out, but you know, it's better to have the sun protection. But yeah, this one is it just dries down nicely. It leaves your skin smooth, not sticky and tacky. And yeah, I do like the Neutrogena ones, and bonus with the hyaluronic acid. And this is another one I like to just, when I travel, I can throw this in my purse too. It is the Ultra Sheer Water Light Daily Face Sunscreen, and this has SPF of 60. Again, I put this on this morning. It feels just, you can feel it a little bit, but it's not too bad. But it's still, it's smooth. It doesn't feel sticky and tacky. This is quite watery, actually. You can hear the little ball in the middle there. So you got to shake this up well. Any liquid product, it doesn't matter what it is. I shake up, but you can see how runny that one is. But it does absorb very nicely. So there's just nothing worse than a sunscreen that just makes you look like a greasy mess, and it's sticky, and I just, oh. So these ones are great. I really do like the feel of them. None of them have an overly strong smell to them. So anyway, that's my sunscreen. And then for self-tanning, I try to stay out of the sun because I'm light-skinned and I got blue eyes, so it means I'm a higher risk for skin cancer. And I baked in when I was a child, so my legs are quite white, to say the least. So I found this one last year, Sugar Baby, and it's an Australian brand. And I hope I can find this again because this one's the dark bronzer. So I put it on my legs, and like, you instantly get color, and it dries quickly. It lasts through a couple of showers. It doesn't look orange. I really like this one. And now another good one is the Jergens Instant Sun Deep Bronze. So this one's pretty good too. It just doesn't last quite as long as that other one, but it does give you fairly good color without that orange look to it. So both of those I do like. And now I found this at Marshalls or Winners. This is by the company Beauty Treats. Now in the package they had 3 lip scrubs, and they had 3 of these, it's just like a lip balm, I guess you could say. Now the lip balms, there's 3 of them. There was vanilla, strawberry, and coconut, I think. They're not bad. They're not a thick balm, so I don't find they last too long. I just feel like I'm reapplying this a lot, and it doesn't have any SPF in it. So those aren't bad, but the scrubs that came with them, there was 3 scrubs. I think I have the strawberry flavored one in my travel bag. But there's one that's honey and one that's coconut. So you get 3 of these lip balms and 3 of these scrubs for $7.99. And I really like the scrubs. They smell really good, but they're not strong. But the amount of, you know, the grit in them, it's not too bad. Like the e.l.f. exfoliating lipsticks, they're a little bit coarser, but these are a little bit finer grit. But they still do a pretty good job, and they really moisturize nicely. And yeah, so I thought, you know, 6 lip products for $7.99. I thought, oh, they might not work too good, but I mean, these aren't bad, but these lip scrubs I'm really quite impressed with. And to stick with the lip theme, I got this in a top box by the Canadian YouTuber Rach Loves last year. And it was the Burt's Bees Gloss Lip Crayon, and this is in Tahitian Sunset. I wear this a lot. It's just, it's like a lip balm slash lip gloss slash lipstick, cream lipstick. It's very comfortable. It's, you know, it doesn't last through a meal or anything like that, but they really are quite nice. And this Tahitian Sun is a really nice color. It's just a rose color. It got a little bit of a shine to it, but yeah, I really like the formula, and I mean, I got a ton of lipsticks, but this one I always kind of throw in my uniform when I'm going to work, or if I'm in a rush, I'll just grab this one. And then Sephora had that VIB sale, so I got 10% off. I only ordered one thing though, and it was this Origins Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask. And I do like these masks at night, especially in the winter time. Just clean my face, put my serums on, and then I just put a mask on for the night. And my skin, I wake up, it's moisturized and plump and comfortable. So this one, I've heard very good reviews about. This one has plant glycerin, hyaluronic acid, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, mango butter, Japanese seaweed. But anyway, you're supposed to use it twice a week and just use it overnight. But yeah, I really do like it. I've used it a couple times and I woke up and my skin was just so moisturized. And then I showed this on a couple of my hauls. This is Japanesque Makeup Brush Cleaner, and this is in citrus scent. So you get 3 of these for $6, and I luckily found another package. Now a lot of these sprays that I have, you spray it on your brush, wipe it on a towel, it's clean, instantly dry. A lot of them do smell like alcohol though, which doesn't bother me. But these ones actually, you can't smell the alcohol in them very much at all. Like this is citrus scented, and it's just got a really nice citrus scent. Oh, I smell more citrus. I barely smell any alcohol in this. The other scents are coconut and rose water. And these have a little bit of an oily feel, so they kind of keep your brushes conditioned. Yeah, I really do like these. So you can find these in Winners or Marshalls. You get 3 of them for $6. They're an ounce each. And yeah, they don't smell like alcohol, but they do disinfect. So yeah, really like those. And this I purchased not too long ago, but I really do like it. Feels like a facelift beauty oil. It's got 17 different oils in it. So what I do is if I use this on my face, I just put a drop in with my moisturizer. If I put cream on my hand at night, I put 1 drop on each hand. And even without mixing with the moisturizer, after about 5 minutes, this, even though it's like 17 oils in it, it does absorb quite nicely. After like about 5 minutes, my skin's nice and smooth, very moisturized. Yeah, it's got 17 different oils in it. Really good oils. So this is a Canadian company called Natural and Healthy. Feels like a facelift. I think this is $25 online. I got it for $10 at Winners or TJ Maxx in the States, Marshalls. I don't know because it's made in Canada whether you can find it in the States, but I'm very impressed with it. Because a lot of oils are great, but they just don't absorb enough and you're left like greasy, a greasy mess. But that one I like. And then speaking of cleaning, I got these at Winners or Marshalls. And these are called Earth Sense Natural Cleaning Aromatherapy for Life. So it's got all natural products in it. You get a liter or 32 fluid ounces for just $4.99. So these are all natural. This one is orange blossom and this one's lemongrass. It actually cleans windows, it cleans countertops, cleans any surface. But like they're not irritating to humans or pets because they're all natural, and they actually do a fairly good job. I don't think they completely disinfect, but they do sanitize. For example, this lemongrass has water, tea tree oil, grapeseed extract, vegetable glycerin, and lemongrass oil, and that's all that's in it. So yeah, so far they do clean quite well, and yeah, I'm pretty happy. But like a whole liter for $5, that's a pretty good deal. So I'm really enjoying those, and they smell wonderful. They're not an overly strong smell, but I love lemongrass smells, I love orange smells, so really like those. So that's it for now, and those are some of the products I'm enjoying right now. And oh, I almost forgot this thing. Yes, I know it looks like it could like a deadly weapon, but this is great for taking out knots in muscles. I do have a big round one that has these big spiky looking things on it. You lay on the ground and you roll, and it really gets out knots. That can be a little bit awkward. Feels like you're playing Twister or something. But this one you hang on to both handles and you just go like this, or you go like this, and it gets, or your back, wherever, and it really it hurts, but it gets the muscle knots out anyhow. But yeah, this is a little just easier to work with than that one that you roll on the floor with. But anyway, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what some of your favorite things are that you're using this month, and everyone take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.